Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics, that is the second chapter, sectors of the Indian economy. So, in that important, the another subtopic of this chapter, comparing the three sectors. So, three are the very important sectors of the economy, that is the various productions activities in the primary, secondary and the tertiary sector produce a very large number of the goods and services. So these three sectors also, they are the providing jobs and work in a different areas. These people who are involved in these sectors, they are the giving the services as well as ready made goods they are providing for to the people. And in these three sectors we can see how many people are involved, and different sectors they are the helping for to the development of economy of country. And the sectors in this economy, the could be one or more sectors which are dominate in terms of total production and employment, while other sectors are related to small in a size. So each sector, maybe that is a big or maybe it is a small, they are interconnected to the each other. It is a cottage industry or big factories or industries, they are the connected to the each other. The without primary sector or the secondary sector, the third tertiary, it is a helpless, yes, or it is not coming to the any work. So three also is interconnected. So we can measure these thousands every day, thousands of the goods and the services produced by a people. It is not a easy task for to the any kind of the industry or the work which they are the providing, which production of each categorization of sector. When we see the surrounding areas, the each is it for from our house to in outside, each small things are manufactured, small things are the used by us to, and up to bigger size of a product things. For example, we can take a small pencil to a huge cars and buses, trains. These are in our surrounding areas. And other technological things, services, that is a transportation, communication, each and everything, they are the involved in these based on three sectors. Some examples we can take here. The the economist, they are giving some suggestions for to the value of the goods and services. So the actually the use rather than adding up the actual numbers. So here some examples they are given, how it will be very important to the each other. That is one example here we can take from a primary sectors, that is produced by a farmer. The 10,000 kg of a wheat is sold at 8 rupees per kg. Now it is, when we are calculating, it will be converting to the 80,000. And the other one example, the value of the 5,000 coconut. It is one coconut, it is sold in a market, that is 10 rupees, and it is when we are calculating, it is a huge amount, that is a 50,000. So both are added here. Here calculated of the 3 also. One year the primary, the growth of the wheat and coconut, that is in agriculture, and people who are involved in a market selling and transportation to bring that things to the market. So three sectors also involved. So continuing of the same thing on next video. For the reference, you can refer a 10th grade textbook. Thank you.